Hello, this is Isa Blanco and this is my first assignment for web programming and development. First, I created a base HTML with head and body. The body has a div called container. The container div has a header, nav, and main divs. This first page is the login page. It has a form for username and password. The form has a submit button. This is how the page looks like. I then created the page for adding an employee. It also has a form with employee number, first name, middle initial, last name, username, and password. This page is the page for adding a deposit. It has employee name, disbursement voucher number, description, amount, date, and bank account number. The next page is the page for viewing deposit entries. I put hard-coded sample data to fill the table. I then modified the nav div of the pages to add menu items and link the correct page to each item. Then comes the look and feel of the pages. I created a style.css file. I set mainly the colors, margin, and spacings between the elements. I prefer to center everything on the page. I then picked colors for the page. I must have spent most of the time picking colors. I also added table formatting to view deposit entry page. For the buttons, I used CSS3 to give them round edges. I also added shadows to the buttons. And then I gave the website dummy titles and adjusted the header spacings. To link both the admin and user homes to the login, I created a simple JavaScript function. The home pages contains the base HTML with just a nav div field. To make the JavaScript simpler, I changed the name attribute of the elements to ID. To make the look and feel of the admin pages different from the user pages, I created a separate admin style.css which contains mostly the same styling except different colors. To log in as admin, use admin as username and click login. It brings you to the admin homepage. This is adding the employee. Then adding a deposit entry. Logout returns to the login page. To log in as a user, just click the login button. It brings you to the user homepage. The user can view the sample deposit entry table. To log out, click the logout button.